you guys? This is gonna be the last activity from the unit one. I guess it's gonna be the last activity from the unit one. We're gonna start with, I'm gonna share you the screen. It's gonna be from your activity book, okay? It says, save the earth. Save the earth. What the earth means? Okay, where do you live? You don't gonna say me that Tijuana, but everything, what does it belong? It's a little round and we're floating in the universe. Exactly. Es que la tierra. Now, if I'm already told you that the earth is la tierra, listen up and think about in this questions. I'm gonna turn on, I'm gonna use a pencil. I said, think about some environment problems in your community and write them down. You have some example, too much plastic bag on the street. What else do you think there are problems in your own community? Write it down in each of the boxes. Now, write possibly solution, organize and cleaning campaigns on Saturday. Well, that is one. What else could it be? You have how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, think about some environment problems in the world. We're talking about the whole world. We're talking about like American, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Spain, all the countries, but in the union, what are the problems in the environment that we have together? And so you have to write it down here in the boxes. You have 5 boxes, so be carefully and write it down. Write possibly solutions. Now, from the problems that you write down solutions from them. Okay, as well that you did it here as examples. Too many plastic bags on the street. Well, there's a solution. Organize cleaning campaigns on Saturday. Now we're talking about the whole world. You have to write it down here, the problem and the solutions from that problems. Okay, remember, we are saving our earth. We are saving our earth. This is the topic, saving our earth. Now we're gonna go down and there's a what? A reading. Okay, there's a reading. There's an interview. Today, I'm gonna start like underlining the text. It says, today I'm interviewing a 9 years old Alex about her feelings on how people can help save the environment. So, Alex, how can you save the environment? Alex, by saving water. Well, how can we do that? By not using too much water when we wash dishes, take a bath, and when we do other things, like watering the plants outside. Oh, I think I can do that. What else? When drinking or eating something outside, you should keep the garbage into and 5 trash can put in because littering makes a planet dirty. Do you like seeing trash all over the ground? No, I don't. Do you have any final suggestions? Yes, we shouldn't waste paper because trees are being cut down to make the paper. By recycling paper, we save the forest where animals live. So how can children recycle paper? I mean, every day. Well, for example, when I was in kindergarten, I used to save the newspaper so I couldn't make out of them like paper trees, instead just throwing them away. Now the children in the neighborhood collect newspaper once a month to make them to recycle centers. That's great. Well, thanks, Alice, for your ideas. That was in page 46. This actually is for you guys. If you couldn't understand the topic, were you able to identify most of the vocabulary? You could answer in response to the composition of the reading. Compare your reading and mine. Now, remember, before we continue, underline the word you didn't understood. Okay, you didn't understood, and you have to write it down. Make a line under the word that you, but I guess you do understood all the words, so I don't think there's gonna be a problem with it. Now, from the reading, you have to answer these questions. First one, what is the name of the girl being interviewed? Remember, these questions belongs from the reading. The name was Alice, Ellen, or Alex. She says she will save water when A, washing cars, B, cleaning clothes, C, taking bath. So, reading the questions, you have to answer these ones. You have multiple options for the answers. Okay, this is going to be in page 48. Continue under, you have another activity. She says we will save water when, which one is the answer? Okay, now the answer is taking a bath, because you already mentioned it here. So the situation is in cause and result on an effect. Now you have to do a sentence using what? The first condition in the model. If you take a bath, you should save water. What do you have to do? ¿Qué es lo que tienes que hacer? De acuerdo a lo que es a la pregunta, tienes que escoger lo que es la respuesta y hacer lo que es el enunciado en forma de la primera condición utilizando el modal verb. If you take a bath, take a bath fue la respuesta de la pregunta que se está realizando en este lado. You should save water. Ok. Estamos utilizando lo que es el que, estamos utilizando lo que es el modal verb. Vas a realizar en cada uno de ellos. Por ejemplo, tenemos la siguiente. By recycling paper, we can protect the forest, cut down the waste, save money. Es protect the forest. Ahora bien, ¿cómo sería el sentence utilizando lo que es la primera condición y utilizando lo que es los modal verbs? If we recycle paper, we may protect the forest. Okay. Entonces, ¿cuál fue el que utilicé? Oh, sorry, might. Entonces tenemos que utilizar lo que son las condiciones. Okay. Esa es la actividad en lo que es en la página 48. This activity, I'm not going to give you like a hard work with it, so you're going to skip it. And that will be it from your activity from the end of this block of Unit 1, okay? So remember, if there's some problems, I'm always going to be there for your questions, okay? So don't worry about that one. I'm going to start sharing it, and I will see you in the second unit, number 2.